An 80-year-long story has just begun. Thousands of seeds fall from a tree. Each tiny seed is just a few millimeters in diameter. But all of them bear the code to a new plant, the blueprint for the future. In the wild, only a small fraction of the seeds germinate and grow. In the green needles of the plant, carbon dioxide is converted into organic compound by solar energy and nutrients in the soil. This is called photosynthesis. The seed has become a plant and later becomes a tree, and the tree becomes part of a forest that grows. In the past century in Sweden, we've only used some of that growth. Today we have more forest than we've had for many hundreds of years. The growing trees bind carbon dioxide, which, after felling, is stored in the products from the forest. Nature produces a long-lasting and renewable resource that man can manage and develop. This also provides the solution for tomorrow's forests. Working from the genetic code, researchers breed trees that grow faster and bigger and have new properties, along with greater tolerance of future climate change. After 80 years, the forest will be felled. The fibers will be used in construction, furnishings, packaging, media, bioenergy, and other bio-based products. The circle is complete. Then the journey starts again with even better trees. By managing the forest wisely, forestry practices can keep the life cycle in motion over and over again. But the world is changing. The climate is changing. Globalization dramatically increases competition for resources. The population of the Earth is growing, and demand for raw materials is increasing. At the same time, we in Sweden are becoming better at utilizing the forest treasure. Traditional products such as timber for houses and fibers for paper and packaging have now been joined by exciting new products. Textiles, pharmaceuticals, smart packaging, wood composites, solid and liquid fuels are just a few examples. But what should we utilize and how? Three billion cubic meters of wood cover over half of the area of Sweden. Every year we harvest 70% of the annual growth. Of course, the wood supply is increasing, but is there enough forest for everything we want to use it for? The operator of the logging machine shares the forest with the visitor picking mushrooms, as well as the lichens and beetles. Finding a balance between ecology and economies is a never-ending battle. Then there are the conflicts between commercial forestry and other types of land use. Many such conflicts can be solved, but in certain cases we'll be forced to make choices. At the same time, the opportunities are greater than ever. What will the forest be used for, and how? The manufacturing industries compete with the energy sector's needs for resources from which to produce heat and power. When we extract wood from the forest, we are affecting the biological diversity as well as people's enjoyment of the natural landscape. Seldom or never before has research and development been so important for developing a sustainable society with the help of the forest.